Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Essential for that rubber thing. As much as we always find time using our car, we should also take time in taking a good care of it by simply checking it from time to time. One of the most important things to do checkups would be our tires. Its good condition actually leads to an improved driving experience. Maintaining its proper pressure is a must to avoid its chances to go flat or even blow out. In order for us to get to the best experience of handling our vehicles, we should always make sure that our tires are properly inflated. Improper inflation can put unnecessary stress to our tires that may result in excessive or uneven wear that can result or lead to unfortunate accidents. As much as we want to maintain it, it's quite a hassle for us to always visit gas stations or our local vulcanizing shops for the tire's air pressure. That's why helpful car equipment like Dove Air Compressor AC 2122 12V/150 SI for us to easily check and maintain our car tires pressure. Having this portable air compressor is more than just the convenience, but safety as well. This will also make our tires last long because it now can be always properly inflated. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.